don't like hiccups. Hiccups scare me.
What?
Hiccups scare me.
Scared you?
They scare me. A little bit.
Smile for the camera.
I don't know if I can smile.
That's good. You're fine.
Asked me what size I wear, and I said small. So she gave me a medium.
Well, I think a medium would fit you better.
No, I don't wear a medium.
Leave it wrapped.
I just can't get it open. It's like so I just don't be so complicated.
We're gonna go to Arby's.
Oh, it's not hard.
Arby's.
You just get them all, so don't have to worry about.
Arby's.
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 Gavin,
You don't like Arby's, do you?
Curly fries.
Arby's. I like their curly fries.
Yeah, but
Their curly fries are pretty good.
I don't know. You
Yeah,
can maybe
that's true.
Mom could chew one up for you, and you get to eat it.
I go through my drive-thru all the time, and her fingernails are like. She wants a small fox to her mole. So I make it
well,
for her.
she's a woman, and
She's
hers are
like-
supposed to be like that.
It's not thick enough, so I go back and make a thick fucking shake. And I hand it out to her, and her fingernails are like. She's like the Wolverine. So she grabs her shake wall thingy, and she like.
I don't know if we want to go in.
No, she's not. She's no monster. The lady. The lady that gets the shake.
Who?
The black lady. You know what lady, the one with the long fingernails.
Oh yeah, her.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's kind of weird.
Yeah. Telephone.
And around the phone and stuff in that phone. You're not gonna raise my telephone.
Okay, I'll leave the keys in it. I'll be right back.
There's no one home. You're not gonna raise my telephone.
Do I want another book? I've got two. I don't know what I'd do with a third unless I do.
The way you blowing phone.
Everybody okay?
Mm-hmm.
Get cold, you can start it, I guess.
No fast.
Are you texting?
I go faster. Should have left my phone at home. This is just a disaster.
Mm-hmm.
Come like a sorry, I cannot answer.
Who sings that?
Beyonce and Lady Gaga.
Hey,
I've
Calvin.
been hiccuping a lot. Hi.
How are you doing?
Right. It's just, I don't know what is happening. I was just sitting down, and I stuck a thing on my nose.
Mm-hmm.
And then she said, relax. So I relaxed. And then I woke up with some other people. And now like, where did you people come from? I don't know you. I didn't really ask them that, but I was thinking that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I kept trying to get a nap, and this girl's like, Calvin, you need to keep your head up. And I was like, what?
Mm-hmm.
I really want to take a nap.
But we're not gonna let you sleep, probably. I don't think you should sleep after that.
Your cheeks look like chipmunks.
Don't be mean.
I have the hiccup.
They're
Hey,
not
it's
that
starting
bad.
to snow here.
I feel like I'm chewing on.
Don't
Look
eat
like
that
a fish.
stuff. It's nasty.
I'm a fishy.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of fish, I'm wearing my Finding Boxer Nemo.
Finding Nemo book.
Finding
You made those
Nemo.
a long time ago, didn't you?
I made those in like 8th grade.
No, it was
And
like
I have a split down.
it was
on-
like sophomore year, probably.
Yeah, they're pretty old.
Uh-huh. Didn't you make those for Miss Fitzpatrick? Alright, good for now.
Firework.
Are you singing Fireworks?
You need to lean your head back.
Keep your head right. Just relax. Just relax. Just breathe and relax. Somebody's big and bad.
Who's he yelling at?
I don't know. I don't even see the guy.
You listen here.
Calm down.
No, he's that.
Oh, he's slow.
Mentally challenged. It's okay.
Oh, I kind of feel like that.
Mentally challenged.
Don't tell you.
Don't tell anybody.
Okay.
Calvin, this is your first bite or something of something to eat.
Okay.
You get a milkshake.
Ready? If we could hold still here, I can get it in there. Okay, it's coming.
Hold still.
Calvin feed himself.
There you go.
So we can get one.
Can you shut your lips a little bit? Is it cold?
Cold.
It's cold?
Cold.
You got it. You can do it.
No.
You swallow it.
It's like
Ow.
swallow it.
Swallow it.
Ew.
Close your
Why
mouth
don't you let
and
him
let it.
feed himself?
Yeah, here.
That way he can get as much as he wants and as often as he wants.
And there's that. I
Don't
couldn't
drop
eat.
it though.
Yeah,
I need a napkin.
I can't eat.
I hope she puts some in there. That's refreshing.
It's just really hot.
Yes, they told us to give you a shake. And not the kind where we go like this.
Alright.
It's an adorable sterling silver bow with 3 little diamonds placed right where the heart-shaped loops come together.
Are you recording me?
Nah.
Hey, you want to fight
No, I'm
them?
not. What light?
That white in my face.
Several heart designs like this.
It's not that bright, is
It's
it?
really bright.
You look good.
Very sexy.
I wouldn't go that far. But Chris Brown, huh?
Yeah. I don't really know why I don't really like Chris Brown.
You don't like him? Is that because he hit Rihanna?
No. She deserved it.
Probably.
She's probably bitching at him.
Probably.
You gotta put a bitch in her place. You know what? She got stronger from it.
You got what?
Stronger from it.
Probably.
She's now writing songs about how hard she is.
Yeah, that's true.
And she likes rude boys.
I don't know.
Uh-huh. That's true. She does. Rude boy can't get it up.
Exactly.
We're good until we get there.
They made a sequel to Love the Way You Lie.
Oh.
It's very good.
Fries in the bottom of it.
I don't know why the pictures aren't showing up. Yeah. I love Vanessa calls him.